Video. In today's video I will show you how to detect whether your native macOS application is connected to a Wi-Fi or not. So we will be constantly observing that connection. So yeah, let's get started. So as usual, first create a native macOS application. Again, I am using AppKit, and firstly inside app sandbox you will have to take this outgoing connections client. Once you do that, next go to view controller, and here you will have to do this import network. Then we will create this network monitor, initialize this network monitor. Then we will create a dispatch queue so that we can notice it on a background thread, and if the status is satisfied, internet is available. If not, no internet connection. And inside the view did load itself, we will start tracking it, and once you have deinitialized it, we will cancel the monitoring of network. So yeah, that's it. So here is my application, nothing on the UI side. So what I will do is, like I have the application is already connected, right? That's why it printed internet is available. If I try to disconnect it, then it shows that no internet connection. Like, I know it printed internet is available again. I don't know why. This might be a bug on, I'm not sure whether there is a bug in my code or whether this is a bug inside the API itself. But if I try to connect it again, so yeah, so here you can see it is just saying internet is available. Like it is printing for lot of time, but then at the end it is saying internet is available. So yeah, like even while connecting, like it might happen for just for a millisecond or two that the internet might be there and it might not be there. So that's why I think it is printing a lot of time, because we are constantly observing the internet connection. So yeah, that's it. Pretty simple application. Thank you for watching. Bye.